Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw Lady Thor. It's gonna be simple for beginners. So I'm gonna pull a line straight up from the front here for the forehead. Like I said, you can either join along with me, or you can, follow along step by step, or you can follow along as far as just the video itself, just watching. There's a lot of learning and just watching as well. Curve for the top of the forehead. I'm gonna go over here, pulling up for kind of the wing. Curve up here, pull up for the very top of that wing. Curve down, pull down here, then over here. Gonna go to the brow area, and I'm gonna curve over here, pull up, and curve over. In, over here, out, down. Now it's the mask area. Remember that. I'm gonna go over here and find the whole the eye right there. Over here on this side. Curve to the far end. And right here, curve to this end. Line, line, line. Line, line, line. Curve. Curve over here for the other pupil. Gonna go right here and put in a highlight. Highlight. Dot there for the center, dot there for the center. I'm gonna go right here, line up, line out, down, curve up, curve over here, down, and down here for kind of the holes in that mask. Line over here for the nose area, curve around the top, pull out, curve up into this. Out. I'm gonna go over here to the kind of design in the forehead. It's kind of like a V shape there. Curve up, over here, curve up. Okay. Over here at the top, down. Again, it's just kind of like a bulging shape coming from there. Down, in, up, in, up, here. Probably like kind of a W shape. Curve down, up, over here as well. And I'm gonna throw more of another V shape there in that area. I'm gonna go over here, curve down for the bottom of the face, line underneath, back up here, and then pulling up in there. Go to the far end, and we're gonna throw the wing on the far side. Okay? Let's do the bottom of the nose here. Line with a nostril, curve. Gonna throw another line right here for kind of the border of the mask. Gonna go over here to the wing section, curve up, and you can pull several lines down. Curve, 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 curve. V shape. Line, smile. Line over here, line. Top of the lip, curve up to this top here, curve over this side. Don't forget to hit that like button if you do. It really helps the channel out. And if you do like Thor or anything like Marvel related, I can do a lot more if you hit that like. Down here for the lower lip, down, curve up. Line here. Line down, And let's have the hair coming out over here. It's just gonna curve down, kind of fall like water. And I mean, it's gonna kind of mostly go at the bottom of the page there. It's gonna vignette out over here. Curve, 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 curve. Right on. And another line right here. Line here. Curve. And that's it. That is Lady Thor. I believe that's what they call that character, right? Lady Thor? Yeah, Lady Thor. You can always throw a little bit of extra stuff on the mask since it's you know, metal. You can throw like maybe more lines around it. Line over here. Maybe line down here. There's a lot of stuff you can do with Lady Thor. It's pretty awesome design, I think. Let me know if you've seen the new Thor movie, Love and Thunder. Let me know. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very soon, okay? Please let me know what else you want to see on the channel. I'm trying to update the channel constantly so that you guys will have new stuff to do. Please make a suggestion in the comments if you're watching this right now, and you will help with the channel, okay? Don't forget to share the video with a friend if you enjoyed it. If the stuff I do here is worth your time, please do that. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Oh, one last thing before I do anything else. I'm gonna make a thicker line around the border here. I just think it looks better. Just a thicker line, like slightly thicker, not a lot thicker. Just a little bit, nothing too wild. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. You guys are amazing. One last thing, actually. Thicker line right here to give her bigger eyelashes. Usually it's just representing a thick line. Okay, you guys are great. Remember, you're amazing, okay? Always think positively when you draw art, and I will see you in the next video, okay? See you later, artists.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.